If you suffer from back pain, you already know the effect it can have on every aspect of your life. Working, walking, or even doing everyday things around the house can be a constant, painful struggle. Non-surgical, gentle spinal decompression is an alternative treatment option that could permanently eliminate your back pain. With almost a 90% scientific success rate, spinal decompression continues to help the tens of thousands of patients who have received the specialized care. Spinal decompression works by gently stretching and relieving pressure in the spine, so that the spinal disc pressure that's causing your back pain is relieved. Slipping, bulging, or herniated discs retract, relieving the pressure off the nerves and other structures within your spine. The result is immediate pain relief and the acceleration of the natural healing process. So if you're suffering from back pain, neck pain, sciatica, or bulging or herniated discs, now you can stop hurting and start healing with non-surgical spinal decompression therapy. Click the banner on your screen or call the number above right now to schedule your free consultation.
Disc Centers of America, a call to us can change your life.